I have to go to work. See you later.
I can't wait for her to get home.
I need you to stay overtime for this shift.
Okay, but just this one last time. What am I doing? This needs to stop.
I'm pregnant.
Are you serious?
Yes, it's true.
I'm going to be a dad! Haha, yes! What's all this? It's a coconut! If I'm a banana and you're strawberry, then how in the hell is the baby a coconut?
What are these?
No, they're just babies.
How dare you touch my babies? Get away! Ah! I've had enough! Out the window you go!